Bitcoin dominance, altcoin season, and what it means for Jasmy. Jasmy fam, Jasmy knots. I'm gonna be doing something a bit different in this video, talking about something that majority of people aren't talking about. Bitcoin dominance is falling, and typically what that means, altcoins start to break out and have what we call altcoin season. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share with your friends and family. Jasmy fam, Jasmy knots. Let's take over the space together. With altcoin season taking place, that is gonna be insane for Jasmy, guys. Remember, the markets are correlated, and once Bitcoin dominance starts to fall drastically, a project like Jasmy that has a working team, active community, and great utility will explode. From Michael Van de Pop, altcoins are dead. The dominance tells a different story. The markets might not be feeling great, but Bitcoin dominance shows that there's actually some momentum going on with altcoins. It's similar in previous cycles, 8 to 10 months prior to the halving. The Bitcoin dominance is an indicator of strength, weakness on the altcoins. Additionally to that, you'll understand that the best investment decisions are made on the moment that you feel the least confident about them. Hear that? When you feel the least confident about a project, so many people that talk down on Jasmy, that's when the best investment decisions are made. I can confirm that feels right now. However, the dominance for Bitcoin isn't continuing the upwards momentum. It's actually falling down, in which altcoins against BTC start to move up. That's interest in the markets rather than no interest in the markets. If you add some flavor to it, you can see that 8 to 10 months prior to the halving, identical in 2015 and 2019, the altcoins start to surge in their BTC pairs, and the BTC dominance starts to fall down. In the meantime, we could still see Ethereum is consolidating in its BTC pair. No weakness, no new lows, but bottoming out 10 months prior to the halving seems legit there as well. And as you guys can see from the image, let me zoom in so you guys can see everything, man. Look at the previous time. This is the Bitcoin dominance. This was taking place around 2020, right? And now we are repeating the same thing here once again, just before the halving at 2023 going into 2024. Once Bitcoin dominance starts to drop, Jasmy will explode. From Fitzo, altcoin crypto dominance breaks out against Bitcoin and skyrockets. Price for now still lagging. Maybe nothing to see here. As you guys can see, this is the total two. These are all the altcoins grouped together, right? The total two are market cap. Every single altcoin in existence is breaking out of a falling wedge pattern, similar to how Jasmy is in this huge falling wedge. It's only a matter of time until we see that explosion in altcoins, Jasmy included. Altcoin hero. Altcoins are starting to show some strength. They tend to start reversing when you least expect it. The overall sentiment in the markets is that crypto will continue to fall. This could be possible. However, Bitcoin dominance remains rejected at the 200-day moving average, which aligns with previous cycles for altcoins. So, history doesn't always repeat itself, but it does rhyme. Many altcoins have been in the accumulation phase for 14 to 16 months. Meanwhile, many coins are at that verge of breaking out. In recent months, the markets have been going sideways, leading to many losing interest. In my opinion, this is the perfect time to accumulate. We even have news with other projects as well. We will have an altcoin rally driven by utility. What does Jasmy have? Crypto is being tested and used more than ever before. I plan to be patient and continue to DCA into projects with utility. There will be a time where we wish we bought more. And as you guys can see, total 2 in accumulation, man. I'm telling you. From L Crypto, altcoin update. Big moment, 2-week candle close in a few hours. BTC dominance has broken the uptrend after 9 months. Something similar happened in 2020. From that point on, it was more lucrative to hold altcoins than Bitcoin. And we showed you guys in the previous chart as well. As you can see, in 2020, It was a rising wedge pattern, then dominance, Bitcoin dominance fell down, and then altcoins exploded in 2021. We saw a huge bull cycle in 2021. And the history looks like it's repeating here in 2023. Bitcoin dominance again broken this rising wedge pattern line, and you know, it may do the same thing, try to bounce back up, but it fails to bounce back up and then just rejects. And going into 2024 or the end of the year could be huge for alts Jasmy as well, man. I'm hyped, guys. Right now Jasmy is sitting at 0.0035 $175 million in market cap, $20.5 million in 24-hour trade volume. The volume is up 54% for Jasmy, guys. That is extremely bullish, and the volume is coming in on the exchanges where people say, well, Jasmy is still in the monitoring zone, etc. Binance is not going to fade $3.3 million in volume, or at least I don't think so. I don't think that would be good for business, man. Not in my opinion, right? But that monitoring zone or innovation zone, which is now changed to, is because of volatility, right? Projects in those zones have high volatility. CZ could be expecting, well, remember, there's huge there, like just like how there's huge swings to the downside, they could be huge swings to the upside. And CZ's putting out that warning because he knows how retail investors are. If there's a huge swing to the upside with big green candles, everybody's gonna FOMO in. Everybody's gonna FOMO in, right? Because they love to FOMO green candles. They never want to buy red. They always want to buy green, right? Everybody FOMO into Jasmy. CZ want to protect himself and say, hey, this was in the innovation zone, you know. If you got wrecked after Jasmy pumped crazily and you bought the top, that's not my fault, right? That could be the case as well, man. From Stevenson, Jasmy, I'm loving this project. Go Japan and Jasmy Coin. Bull run, Jasmy's going to pump unexpectedly. I really think it's going to take people by surprise when Jasmy starts to break out, man. 5 thumbs up, 5 hearts. Stevenson also replies, yes, I feel the same way. Jasmy will start pumping hard when we're sleeping. One day soon, I think we'll say 100+% pumping. And once that happens, man, once we see that 100% move, you're going to see the FOMO kick in. And then it's going to be, you know, all the people that didn't buy at these lows will be left behind. Angelino, Jasmy, never been so bullish. 2 thumb Dumbo charts. Be ready. The first altcoin season begins 252 days before the next BTC halving. The second Parabolic altcoin season begins 231 days after the next BTC halving. This is when you accumulate. The first one begins 252 days before the halving. We're getting closer to it. The second one begins after 231 days after the next BTC halving. From Cryptolica, others market cap, alt season. And you can see right here, let me zoom in, man. Gotta give you guys the perfect viewership here. 2015, 2016, huge breakout in the markets. Look at this, man. 665 days of beer, and then another huge breakout, right? And right now we're sitting at 665 days again. The longest beer market in history. I think it's over the previous cycle with its length, right? I'm telling you guys, it's going to be a huge explosion in the future. And from Cryptolica, once again, you know very well what happened in the end. This is the total 2 altcoin market cap. This is all the altcoins in one chart, right? All of the altcoins in one chart. So we could see one more retrace. One more. Right here, man. Look at the fractals. One more, and then a bang. And then a big bang. Just like how the universe was started, right? What a huge move to the upside in alts, and I'm telling you, Jasmy will follow. From ETH01, altcoins are starting to wake up. The alt season index fell down but rebounded sharply. Bitcoin will decline. Apparently, the overflow of money into low-cap coins has begun. The probability of working out the pattern of an inverted head and shoulders remains, right? Okay. So you guys can see that from this index right here. This is the altcoin index. It fell down, but it had a huge move up, and then, you know, again, it could retest this blue line right here at support, and then alt season starts to pop. You know, again, this is why I'm bringing this information to you guys. VXA altcoin season is coming. Right here from Fernando. Again, look at this chart, man. This is total 2. This is the Bitcoin dominance. My apologies. And the Bitcoin dominance is making this rising wedge pattern, which is typically bearish. Once it hits the top of this range, it could finally start its breakdown pattern, guys. And let's get into some Jasmy charts to close the video out. From Team Lambo, Jasmy retested the breakout and bounced off successfully towards 0037. 8 consecutive days closed above the breakout. Surely not long before a bull wave is formed here, right? Telling you guys, surely not long before a bull wave is formed here. So again, once this breakout finally happens going into all season, you could see that 1 cent Jasmy, and then the uptrend continues, man. That impulse gets made, right? Impulse off the bottom, and then we go into full bull run pattern straight into the top of the bull cycle. Captain Jasmy, the research done by the Jasmy community is incredible. Well done all that continue to search and share information. Tag some of your favorite researchers below. We hope that the ambassador program will soon give us exclusive access to information as well as regular contact with the team. Keep going. The Jasmy utility is huge and our time will come. And I truly agree with Captain Jasmy here. From Mick Scouser, Jasmy has been a prominent player in the Web3 field, having previously launched the world's first blockchain PC. This innovation allowed individuals to truly own and control their data. Jasmy Chain confirms their data democracy credo. Jasmy Chain is going to be huge, man. The secure PCs probably could also get an update where Jasmy Chain is built in. And, you know, it makes DeFi and GameFi, NFTs built on Jasmy Chain much simpler and easier to use for people that are new to crypto. You know, one thing and one hurdle that people in crypto have is when you're first getting into crypto, it's like a completely different language. It's like you're trying to learn, you know, a lot of us are English speakers. It's like you're trying to learn Japanese for the first time, right? That's how complex and complicated crypto is when you first get into it. Maybe with the Jasmy secure PCs, Hara and the team with Jasmy Chain, Hara and the team make crypto a much more simpler, easier, and convenient way for the average person to get into the space, man. These are the type of things that are possibilities, man, that you can't rule out. I know that is the team's goal, to make, you know, data security, Web3, AI technology, DeFi, right, be as easy and accessible for everyone to use. And I really believe the Jasmy team, former Sony execs, I think they can pull it off. We already know the Jasmy community is right there, diving down the rabbit hole and being as based as possible. Crypto is about awareness. Crypto is about what other people are talking about. And I'm telling you, the awareness for Jasmy is exponential and keeps spreading. So, Jasmy fam, what are your thoughts about alt season, Bitcoin dominance? How the Bitcoin dominance chart is looking like it's ready to retrace and correct, and also starting, you know, are being primed for their breakout. I would love to read your comments, so be sure to comment down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on all notifications, share with your friends and family. Let's continue to take over the space together. Without you guys, I am nothing, so I sincerely and humbly appreciate the support. Thanks once again, and I'll catch you in the next one.